Rayon Design claims to reinvent how floor plans are made, but does it really give designers an edge, or is it just another tool with a sleek interface? Welcome to HowToLiterally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. Today, we're diving into Rayon, a browser-based design software made for architects, interior designers, and anyone working with spatial layouts. It's all about speed, simplicity, and real-time collaboration. What makes Rayon different? First, it runs entirely in your browser, no downloads, just log in and start sketching. The interface is super clean with drag-and-drop elements, dimensioning tools, and keyboard shortcuts that feel intuitive from the start. Collaboration is where it really shines. You can share a link, leave comments, and edit plans in real time with teammates or clients. It's not trying to replace full BIM tools like Revit, but it is perfect for early phase design, concept development, or quick layout changes. And if you're tired of clunky CAD software just to sketch a basic floor plan, Rayon feels like a breath of fresh air. So is it essential? If you're doing concept level work or need real-time collaboration and layouts, absolutely. For deep technical drawings, probably not yet. But Rayon is fast, modern, and laser focused on what it does best. Thank you for watching HowToLiterally, and see you in the next one.